चलिए थोड़ी तालियां बनती. Very warm welcome. So, like I was talking about metaverse, I was asking how many people are you aware about metaverse? नहीं, राइट? मैंने यही कहा, मुझे भी ये एक न्यूज़ है. वैसे न्यूज़ से याद आया कि हम तक जो खबरें पहुंचाते हैं, चाहे आंधी हो, तूफान हो, लॉकडाउन हो या भारत बंद हो, कुछ भी हो जाए, हमें जो एंटरटेन रखते हैं, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अ ह्यूज राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर आवर एस्टीम्ड मीडिया. उनके लिए जोरदार तालियां बनती है, बिकॉज आप नहीं होते हमारे बीच तो ये न्यूज़ हम तक नहीं पहुंचती और ये इवेंट की या कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन लोगों तक नहीं पहुंचती. So we have our guests here with us. So first, I would like to invite on stage. Let me give you a little bit of introduction about him. Well, he'll always ace entertainment. So he's somebody who's a pioneer and a true visionary in the media and entertainment world, a trendsetter unlike no other, and you will always see him around. He'll be the one who will be well versed with whatever is happening in the media and the entertainment industry. So, with a huge round of applause, let's welcome Neeraj Roy, the founder of Hangama and Heftyverse. A huge round of applause for Neeraj Roy, everyone. Now, very warm welcome to you. We would like to welcome with us, let me tell you, वैसे उनका introduction देने की बिल्कुल भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. Acting का universe हो या directing का, हर verse में वो well versed हैं. और space में हो, इन्होंने अपना बहुत नाम अभी बना दिया है. Paving his way into the digital metaverse, the man who needs definitely no introduction, with a huge round of applause and a warm heart, please welcome Mr. Ajay Devgan. I'm sure we can make a little more noise. Vikrant Khanna, right? So, all right, since you both are here with us and everybody is also here, so we'll be starting with the questions. My first question would be to Neeraj. Metaverse is a question that everybody needs an answer to, so tell us what is metaverse and will it be the next big thing in the coming years?
Sure. Before that, another round of big applause for the fabulous trailer that we got to see. And thank you once again, all of you, for being here. मैं कोशिश करूँगा जितना simply इस चीज़ को explain कर सकता हूँ, but for starters, ये जो term है metaverse, to put it very simply, it's like discussing what the internet was in the early 90s at some level. How this entire piece will get built out over the next 10, 20 years is really going to be up to the imagination of the ecosystem. But in a very simple way, जो भी हम करते हैं in the physical world, those are experiences which we can now start experiencing in what is called as the virtual world or the metaverse. And the first reflection of this is by way of creating avatars of ourselves. Aaj, whether it's a phone, you send a message, aapko kuch emoji banate ho, animoji banate ho. These are what I will call as the early building blocks. These avatars are going to be something that you will empower as a consumer. एक term है along with metaverse which is called Web3, Web 3.0. Now, again to simplify it, in Web 2.0, which was the social media world, where we create communities, but the principal audience was happening on a specific platform. वो platform में there have been issues pertaining to privacy, etc. But that community is owned by that platform. So if it is Ajay's fans who are following on various networks, he's communicating with them one-on-one. Web3 is going to bring more and more empowerment to the consumer. So वही जो fans engage कर रहे हैं, they now have it is the empowerment of them, plus it is up to them what kind of insights, information they want to unleash. So simply put, metaverse may think of it as three elements. First is virtualization of yourself. The second is there will be virtual experiences. आप जो भी करते हैं, अगर आप shopping के लिए जाते हैं, तो you can create a shopping environment. If you sit and chat, you can have your virtual avatars talking with each other. And again, not to take too much time, but again to simplify it, it's like right now two of us are here in physical sense. There could be Digital Ajay 1, Digital Ajay 2, Digital Ajay 3. And 5 years from now, he could empower that those three avatars are having social interactions, they are having commercial discussions. वो कुमार जी के साथ कुछ और डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, डिजिटल कुमार जी के साथ एक प्रोजेक्ट डिस्कस कर रहे हैं. And when he comes back in the evening, he's able to see, okay, they will learn from your own real world interactions. And so productivity that happens of humanity technically can increase infinitely. But it's up to you, आप कितना करना चाहते हैं इस चीज़ पे. So not getting very geeky, simple things, और इसमें gaming is going to be one of the key elements, जो कि we are also trying to take that forward.
All right, thank you so much. So it's like basically clones, multiple clones of yourself being everyone similar.
Clones is a nebulous, not clones really.
Yeah, obviously. I mean, to put it in a very layman's term is what probably I could think of. But thank you so much. Can we have a huge round of applause for him? So Ajay, my next question would be to you. Your upcoming movie Runway 34 is collaborating with Heftyverse, and Web 3.0 is an initiative by Hungama. So tell us about the collaboration.
Like Neeraj explained what metaverse and everything is simply. I wanted to join them because ek to, you can reach out to more people, and I wanted to reach out to the maximum people. And I think the best option I had was him and his company. So that's why I joined them.
Well, so great to. I'm sure everybody is great to have you on board, and we are loving this particular collaboration.
But I must say something here. So, of course, it's an honor and a privilege to collaborate with Ajay Devgan Films, with Ajay Kumarji and everybody. And they've known each other now we've known for 2 decades. लेकिन एक चीज़ मैं बताऊंगा इनके साथ, it has been always about trying to simplify things. So the aspect कि हम ये game करेंगे, this was a thought that came from him. Said, what is unique in this? And the interesting part is when you look at how we build it out, you know, when it comes to things linked to aviation, etc., there is always an aspect of simulation. So hopefully that's something which we'll share as well.
Well, I think since you're talking about it, and right now for which we are all present here, so let's do one thing. Let's come to the part where we are going to launch the Runway 34 game. So I think we'll have a first look at it. This is the right moment since you have spoken about it, what Metaverse is and how the collaboration has been. So we'll have a first look at the Runway 34 game.
Hi, sir. It's an honor to fly with you today.
Likewise,
Have we shared a flight before this?
I never forget things. I have a photographic memory.
Sir, do you like your job?
There are days when I love my job, and there are days when I hate it. Start engine number 2.
Started engine 2. Time check.
Flaps check.
Check.
Checking flight controls. Jam. Run through before taxi checklist.
Generators on. Probe heat on. Anti-ice not required. Air condition. PAX auto. Isolation valve auto. Engine start switch. Continuous. Recall.
Check.
Check auto brake RTO.
Ground equipment. Left side clear.
Ground equipment. Right side clear.
You may request for taxi.
Flight Skyline 777. What's your status?
We are all set for takeoff. Request for clearance.
Request approved. Proceed to runway 34.
Thanks. Okay, ground. We are cleared for pushback and start.
Can you release the brakes?
Parking brake released. You may commence the push. Ground. Just call me when you're ready for engine start.
Okay, sir. You can start engines in sequence.
Ground. Both engines good. You can disconnect. Thank you so much and have a nice day. Multiverse.xyz.
Woo. Well, I'm sure it's an amazing game, and we definitely can't wait to fly with Captain Vikrant. Let me rather put it that way. I hope you guys liked it. Can we have a huge round of applause for the game launch? Thank you. Thank you so much. Well, since we have revealed the first look of the game, my question for you both is that, you both have been the giants of the Web 2.0 community, and now you're, getting into the Web 3.0. How and when did this idea come to you all, and was it like easy or difficult to adapt it?
So yes, I think Web3 is something that we had been looking at now for almost about 18 months. And I'm delighted that we found a fabulous partner in the form of Polygon in doing this. And Polygon kind of started with the core, sort of understanding with regard to the foundation on the back of which what needs to be done. Hungama is also privileged to have Intel as an investor. Intel has been an investor into Hungama now for 10 years. Intel has been at the forefront of some of the most amazing digital innovation, whether it's to do with its technologies linked to actually sort of streaming, or it is to do with gaming and virtual reality, etc. So I think, various partners got together, and Hungama has taken pride in the fact that, in the last 20 years, if one thing we have done for the industries, we've always been a couple of years ahead. We have used this way to demystify the medium to all our stakeholders, whether it is the artist fraternity, the studios, the record labels, and we've paved the way in such a way that everyone wins, whether it's to do with the industry, the consumers, and today Web3 is getting to a stage where you can actually have what you call as fractional ownership. You can not just be a fan, you can feel that you have a stake and ownership in things. So this is a step in that direction, and I couldn't have been happier to have one of the sort of most successful film stars of Hindi and Indian cinema to be partnering with us. He also happens to be one of the most elusive stars, so it makes me bringing him onto this stage even more special. And I mean it, Ajay, with all respect.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Would you like to add something to that?
No, like everybody's still trying to understand what Web3 was. I was also doing the same thing till Neeraj explained to me how it works, and I love technology, and I feel that we always have to look ahead, not behind, otherwise we'll be left behind. So this is something just as the beginning, and it might look very small today, but it's going to go, it's going to replace everything, like everybody thought in the 90s for the internet. So that's how it is.
All right, thank you.
And I want to add here, see again, keeping with his sort of approach of speaking little always, but I must use this chance to mention. I mean, we know Ajay as an actor, as a filmmaker, and his passion for the craft is such. I was reading Amitji's, one of his interviews on Runway 34 itself, and he was talking about, and Amitji is a person who's also very, very disciplined, and he was talking about how amazed he was with all the cameras that were set up, and Ajay would go across and do this. And we've seen his passion out of films like Kana Tanaji, which is one of the biggest hits, but the entire visual effects of that came around. So one thing that he did say to me was that, "Jo bhi karo isko, make it such that it reaches maximum number of people." So that's why jo humne yahan pe kiya is simple. The idea is to make it inclusive, and this was a little bit of a brief that we got. So we are trying to do that.
Well, I'm sure you guys are definitely doing a commendable job, and like he also mentioned that you want to reach out to the masses, and this is going to be a great platform where you both have collaborated together and getting involved and taking people to new heights and making them, reach to where they have not, like the metaverse. So a huge round of applause for them. एंड जैसे कि मैंने आप सब लोगों से प्रॉमिस किया था कि कुर्सी की पेटी बांध लीजिए, दिस इज गोइंग टू बी अ फन फिल्ड राइड. तो अब वो टाइम आ चुका है फिलहाल, लाइक वी आर मिड एयर हियर एंड राइट नाउ देर इज समथिंग very important and very interesting that we would also like to announce, and I think I'll leave it to you, Ajay, to reveal that particular thing that we are supposed to mention it to them.
Why don't you say? Why don't you say?
Okay, with your permission. So you saw the experience of the game. I mean, game is one point, which is yes, you earn points in that. You can take it across, etc. But in today's time, there is an entire set of moviegoers, cinegoers, consumers who are wanting some kind of, a little more than just experiencing something. And that is where I'm delighted that with Runway 34, we will also be introducing a set of NFTs. NFTs is essentially non-fungible tokens. We've taken certain parts from the film, the characters of the film, and converted that into very unique NFTs, which will be made available and be brought onto the Heftyverse platform. And we will be dropping those NFTs over the next about 8-9 days for people to both experience as well as get a chance to earn and own as well.
Well, that's definitely a great initiative. Like, it'll be more connecting the fans a step closer. And I wouldn't take much of your time right now, but rather leave the floor open for the media. So people from the media, you can now ask certain questions if you have any. Somewhere there.
हेलो हाय शादमा दिस साइड फ्रॉम होम बॉलीवुड. नीरज सर, मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि फ़र्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस मेटावर्स के लिए. मैं आपसे ये जानना चाहूँगी कि इंडियन मार्केट में कितना सक्सेसफुल रहेगा ये, इस बारे में आपका क्या थॉट है, ये बताएं हमें.
So क्या चीज़ मेटावर्स क्या सक्सेसफुल रहेगा या ओके. सो अगर आप देखें, हमने जो इसमें ये जिस तरह से हम ये कर रहे हैं, इसमें गेमिंग तो जो है इंडियन मार्केट में इस वक्त बहुत, इट इज़ वन ऑफ द फास्टेस्ट ग्रोइंग मार्केट्स इन द वर्ल्ड. टुडे इन इंडिया there is closer to about 380 million consumers who are playing different types of game, from basic what we call as casual mobile gaming to esports, etc. The aspect of the metaverse is something new, but we wanted now to start connecting with consumers, because metaverse में आप जो भी बनाएं वो आज के लिए नहीं है. It is up to you to keep it for whatever period of time. That is the reason why the brief of keeping it simple. So it's the game, but you have an opportunity to share parts of your experience which will remain forever in terms of how you're building it out. So the metaverse is still early days. जैसा मैंने सबसे पहले बोला कि metaverse is today where perhaps the internet was in the early 90s.
Right.
But the pace at which adoption is going to happen, I can safely say to you that in the next 5 years, there will be closer to 500 million consumers in India, जो कि जिसे कहा जाएगा कि वो Web3 customers हैं, क्योंकि वो shift होगा.
राइट. अजय सर, मेरा सवाल आपसे ये होगा कि डोंट यू थिंक इट्स अ विन विन सिचुएशन फॉर यू, बिकॉज हम सब जानते हैं कि यंगस्टर, इवन किड्स आजकल सोशल मीडिया, टेक्नोलॉजी, कितने ज़्यादा उन सारी चीज़ों से जुड़ गए हैं. तो डू यू थिंक रनवे के लिए ये एक पॉजिटिव एस्पेक्ट होगा, क्योंकि अट्रैक्ट करेगी यंगस्टर्स को और ज़्यादा इस फिल्म.
कोशिश तो यही है, और कहानी रनवे तक ख़त्म नहीं होती है. जैसे कि नीरज बता रहे थे कि दिस इज़ द फ्यूचर, जो मुझे भी लगता है दिस इज़ द फ्यूचर. तो कोई भी चीज़ जो नई शुरू होती है और जो हमको लगता है कि वो बहुत आगे तक जाएगी और दैट इज़ द फ्यूचर, मुझे उसके साथ जुड़ना पसंद है. तो आई वांटेड टू स्टार्ट दिस अर्ली, एंड दैट्स व्हाई वी डिसाइडेड टू स्टार्ट दिस. आप गेमिंग भी अगर देखेंगे तो गेमिंग को इतना सिंपल रखा है, वरना हम कुछ हेवी ड्यूटी भी कर सकते थे, लेकिन उसके लिए जो गैजेट्स की ज़रूरत है वो सबके पास है नहीं, वो बहुत ही लिमिटेड लोगों के पास है। इसलिए गेमिंग भी इतनी सिंपल रखी है कि आप अपने आपके पास जो भी है फ़ोन या जिस पे भी आप आराम से खेल सकते हैं। आज आप देखें तो इवन माय सन, वो स्कूल से छूटते हैं उसके बाद हेडफोन लगा के ऑल द किड्स आर गेमिंग। और पिछले 2 ढाई साल में तो इतना ज़्यादा हो गया ड्यूरिंग द पैंडेमिक। सो दैट इज़ द फ्यूचर एंड यू कांट चेंज इट।
Thank you so much.
गेमिंग में है, और जैसे कि आपने बताया यंगस्टर्स
गेमिंग आई मीन कुछ साल पहले तक तो मैं बहुत गेमिंग करता था, गेमिंग करने का वक्त ही नहीं मिलता है। हाँ, तो गेमिंग गेमिंग मुझे बहुत पसंद थी। जैसा कि मैंने कहा कि अब वक्त नहीं मिलता, और दिस इज़ द फ्यूचर। और पहले भी बहुत सारी गेमिंग आई हैं, बट ये पहली बार ऐसे हो रहा है। और इट्स जो मेटावर्स में जुड़ के कर रहे हैं हम, कैरेक्टर के साथ जो आपने देखा वो पहली बार हो रहा है। तो जब कोई चीज़ पहली बार होती है तो उसे शायद थोड़ा वक्त लगता है, लेकिन वो पकड़ती ज़रूर है। बहुत सारी गेम्स, आई मीन पहले ये अपना प्ले स्टेशन, एक्सबॉक्स, ये जितनी गेम है सब हम खेलते थे, अभी भी खेलते हैं कभी कभी, बट अब बच्चे ज़्यादा खेलते हैं।
Hi Ajay sir, my question to you is, so I remember during the promotion of Rudra, you had done interviews in Metaverse. You're doing this with Runway 34. Is this something that you're planning to continue with the projects ahead as well?
Of course, like we said, this is just the beginning, and like I previously said also, that this is the future, and if you are not with the future, you're not there at all. So you'll be left behind. So definitely we need to. I don't know how much it's going to work today, but in the long run, this is what is going to work, and I wanted to be a part of it.
Neeraj, my question to you is, you've associated with Ajay Devgan for Runway 34. Do you have any other associations also in mind?
Yeah, we've made a couple of announcements in the past, and you'll continue to see more and more partnerships. But today is about Runway 34, and that is the one which we are most excited about.
Hi, Neeraj, I have a question for you. Definitely, when we look at metaverse or when we look at augmented reality, it's me here. Yeah. So when we definitely look at metaverse or augmented reality, definitely it gives a very lavish and lucrative feel to the audience. But are we somewhere having a competitiveness as compared to the South Indian cinemas, which has got a content which is getting better day by day, and somewhere it's getting ranked up in the entertainment industry as well?
See, I think you're mixing two things here. But let me respond to you about. See, today what you spoke about augmented reality. So there are 3-4 forms. They can be augmented reality. Augmented reality तो आप अपने phone से भी कर सकते हैं. You will get an experience with it. Then there is virtual reality, which requires a certain kind of eyewear. Okay? And then there is this space called mixed reality, which is really blending the worlds of your physical and virtual world. The main thing that any of these does is it makes you experience that same content in a different form. It is either more immersive, it is either more interactive. So, एक picture होती है, whichever region it is coming from, it is telling a story, right? And as storytellers, their job is to arouse curiosity amongst cinegoers. Same way we could, pehle, the person would go and watch it in a cinema hall. Okay, there used to be 1 print, 2 prints, whatever, and that's how it used to work around. Then you started watching it on television. Today you watch it on OTT. So one part of it is a new platform, and the second is technology which enables you to become more immersive with that entire thing. That is what we are really trying to do here.
Ajay sir, यहाँ पर हाँ, Mr. Bachchan is also part of this film. तो हम उनको कभी देखेंगे इन लोग?
वो आप पराग से पूछिए या मिस्टर बच्चन से पूछिए। बट यूजुअली बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड वो बाहर निकलना उन्हें ज़्यादा मना भी है, तो उन्होंने जितना भी प्रमोशन किया अपने ऑफिस से, हमने साथ में जो भी बाइट्स और वो सब किए उन्होंने अपना किया, बट आई थिंक ही हैज़ टू बी इन अ सेफ एनवायरनमेंट एट द मोमेंट।
Okay, thank you.
Any more questions? Okay. So before we end this, there is a small AV that we would like to show it to you since आप सबको हम बता रहे थे कि what is NFT. So with this, you'll get an idea that what are the things that will be available on NFT from Runway 34. So there's a small AV that we would like to show it to you. Thank you.
Just a slight technical component to this. What you see here is obviously some of the elements from the film which have been digitized. एक NFT में एक चीज़ होती है which is a collectible value. दूसरी होती है what is the utility inside that as well. And the idea will always be to keep on incorporating elements. So these are things which, as we keep on progressing, consumers will get to use this NFT for access, for getting into other engagements, etc. So this is a starting process of what has happened, and we look forward to everyone's support and thank the entire media for taking the time to do this. I also want to thank Hari, who's had the patience with everything that we worked around, and our partners as well, both on the EDAO as well as on Polygon. Thank you so much, guys, for everything.
Well, thank you.
Thank
And
you.
meanwhile, I mean, since Ajay is here, we would see if you could, pass on a message to all your fans out there. And since the movie is coming out soon, is there a quick message that you would like to give it to your fans?
I think the message is the film, and I hope they all watch it and like it. And this is a new beginning, so the metaverse, and I hope they all go on it and play the game. Thank you so much.
Thank you. A huge round of applause for Ajay Degan and Neera Joy, everyone. Thank you.